It is almost time for your on-the-job training to start, and soon you get the opportunity to meet your new colleagues and build new skills. It is normal to feel nervous. Luckily, a lot of people are ready to help you get a great start. You can prepare yourself by considering what you want to talk to your training supervisor about. Maybe you have previous experience you'd like to develop further. It may also be a good idea to familiarise yourself with the learning objectives for your on-the-job training, as well as reading the welcome letter if you receive one. Research to see if your workplace has specific rules. Do you need a uniform? What are the rules about nails, jewellery, shoes, or long sleeves? This will be nice to know before your first day. Make sure you know how to get there on your first day. Check out parking or public transportation. That way the logistics won't trouble you on your first day. Look forward to an exciting learning experience where you get to make a difference and develop as a professional.